Goodbye confirmed. The Galaxy S23 series has officially outperformed the Galaxy S22 lineup by a significant number. It's a big win for Samsung, but could be their last win if the next big decision fails. Despite the wonderful success of the Galaxy S23 series, majorly because of Samsung adopting the Qualcomm chip all around the world, for some reason they decided to throw it away, bring back the dead, which is Exynos. And well, we got our first confirmation regarding which market is getting the Exynos, and that is Europe. Yes, say goodbye to Qualcomm as Exynos is coming to Europe according to Ice Universe. Of course, this also likely means we're going to see this in the UK as well. It's happening again, and it's probably going to be the direction where Samsung will keep on moving for the future. Now, as usual, Europe is not going to be the only market for Exynos. Very likely Samsung will bring this chip to Asia region as well, including the major Indian market. Recent rumors have shown that the Exynos 2400 will be a very capable chip, possibly around the same performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but still we're bound to see some performance differences because of the different manufacturing process, as Samsung is using their 4nm tech, which is improved, but is it as good as TSMC's 4nm? We don't know. As I said before, Samsung cannot fail with this Exynos generation, because if they do, people will forever lose their trust in Samsung. Also in the news, I know we just had a big main camera upgrade this year with the S23 Ultra's 200 megapixel ISO HP2 sensor, but guess what? A new version of this sensor is coming to the S24 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will pack a new ISO HP2 SX 200 megapixel sensor. It will be further optimized to bring the best performance. Along with this, as we talked before, we are indeed getting a new 50 megapixel 3x optical zoom, which will utilize high resolution to improve zoom all the way from 3x to 10x. Now, last but not the least, there will come a time when Samsung will officially release a rollable screen phone, and that could be in 2025. This has been going for quite some time, as we have seen number of different prototypes from Samsung, as well as with some other brands as well this year, with Motorola showing off their rollable screen phone. It's a very real possibility that we're going to see this technology coming out very soon. And considering Samsung's the one that brought a folding phone to global markets internationally for the first time, it makes all the sense for them to do that with the rollable phone, possibly in 2025. So that's all the latest news. As I said before, it's time to say goodbye to Snapdragon for Galaxy exclusively for all models, because we're gonna have that division again. Exynos is coming back for various markets, and for now, Europe is pretty much a done deal. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.